Hi, Richard.
Hi, Rick.
So this is the first time that VIA is attending LogiMAT. Why?
Up to now, mainly our trade shows we've attended have been tech ones. So Germany used to be Civit, and then in recent years, the Embedded World Show in Nuremberg. Now, with our new products, our VIA Mobile 360 products, we're moving more and more into logistics and into transportation. And LogiMAT is Europe's largest logistics show. And so we think it's a great opportunity for us to showcase the VIA Mobile 360 forklift safety system and our video telematics systems as well.
Right, so that's part of the products that you plan to show here?
Yes. So I think primarily the focus will be on the Mobile 360 forklift safety system. And we'll be showing different configurations of the device. So one thing we'll be announcing is the 3PD model. So this supports 3 pedestrian detection cameras. We'll also, of course, be showing our standard model, which supports 2 pedestrian detection cameras plus driver safety system.
That's the one on the VIA channel with the front and rear camera.
That is correct.
And the 3PD is like surrounding the back area?
Yes. So it's 2 side cameras and then 1 rear camera.
Great. And are there any new announcements that you will be making at LogiMAT?
Actually, I think probably the biggest announcement will be EVs. I think more and more in the industry, you're seeing a very rapid transition from combustion engined vehicles to EVs. And what we have is a DC to DC adapter that we can integrate into the system that enables integration of the system into EVs very, very fast and very simple.
Great. And talking about the forklift safety system, how is this doing on the market right now?
Well, we launched the system initially in China last year, and we've been very excited about the deployments there. Recently, for example, we're working with one of China's largest dairy manufacturers, then also in one of the largest ports. Also in Taiwan, we're seeing very, very strong take-up. Chemicals industry, semiconductor industry, and other sectors as well. And slowly, we're starting to see a rollout in the US, and then LogiMAT will be very, very important for the European market.
Right, especially with the chemical industry or the semiconductor industry,
Yes.
There's a lot of potential for hazardous spills or problems when transporting goods inside of a warehouse.
Exactly.
Right. So what are the key challenges of launching a product like the VIA Mobile 360 forklift safety system?
I think there are a number of big challenges. I think, first of all, with newcomers to the forklift industry, although we've been in the tech industry for 30 years, is that very few people in logistics know who we are and what we do. So I think branding, let people know about VIA is a key challenge. I think second is explaining the benefits of the technology.
Right.
People may hear words like AI, but then they may not understand or realize how it may possibly apply to them.
Right, how it could be used in the industry to...
Yes, and what the benefits are. So I think, particularly with something like a forklift system, you need to do a lot of show and tell. Of course, you need to be able to just describe the feature, but people want to know, how does it work, and how can I install it, and how can I use it quickly? So I think there's got a large educational challenge here of explaining what the technology does and how it can benefit safety in the warehouse.
Right, and the new system that you're launching is actually in response to customer feedback, what they're looking for in the market, right?
That is correct. I think one of the great things about AI is that you can continually optimize it. It's not static, it's very, very dynamic.
Right.
And since we launched the system last year, as I mentioned earlier, we've had lots of different customers, lots of different environments using the system. And so we're getting a lot of feedback from them is what is the optimum solution for them. And so one thing, for example, if you look at pedestrian accidents, generally they happen on the sides or the rear of the vehicle.
Right, which is why you've brought up a new system.
Yes, whereas, other customers, they still think the front is very important.
Right, and the front, of course, is important because if you have a large box loaded on your forklift, your visibility will be impaired, seeing over the box or navigating opposite.
And also, if you're reversing,
right,
somebody may come within the front of the vehicle, and then you'll get that alert. We'll remind you that someone's there.
Right, with a notification or beeping or something.
Exactly. Yes.
Great. Well, looking forward to seeing all the new products at LogiMAT this year.
Yeah, I think it's going to be very exciting. Thank you.
Thank you.